Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, subscribing. I appreciate every last one here. Take what resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that energy fly. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a feminine energy, okay? Let's go ahead and get into it. It is Friday. I'm seeing putting on a show. Somebody putting on a show? Somebody being real dramatic? Somebody making a scene? Creating a scene? Clarify putting on a show. Putting on a show. One more. Putting on a show. There's an energy here where you guys have lived and learned, okay? Learned some sort of lesson here. That's what I'm seeing. You learned a lot. Number 27 could be significant. But clarify putting on a show, I'm definitely seeing an energy of have someone having some sort of vision. There's an energy of someone possibly coming up or have came up with some sort of idea. Number 41 could definitely be significant. Yeah, it's like some sort of idea. I don't know if someone gave this person an idea or they came up with an idea of their own. I don't know. I feel like this person may have gotten some sort of inspiration or some sort of idea, especially when it comes to someone they trust. Number 8 could be significant. I'm saying trust and honesty, but I'm saying it's clarifying putting on a show. So if this is a lie, this is not true. This is a mask. That's what it feels like. Because the next one is promise. It's almost like an energy of somebody like proposing to someone. I don't know, maybe this person may have promised that you guys would possibly get married or something like that, and someone possibly claimed that call themselves keeping a promise. I feel like whoever this person is trying to portray themselves as some sort of responsible individual. But I'm seeing like with whoever this person is, you lived and you learned. Like I guess you see this person like already know this person exactly for who they are. Because I'm seeing you gain some sort of experience with whoever this person is. I feel like this person will try to even try to persuade you in some form of fashion to take their offer. I feel like putting on a show. I feel like this person may even try to do this like in front of a crowd of people or something like that. What is that called? Triangulation or something like that? Let's go ahead and clarify this idea. Would you mind clarifying idea, please, Spirit? Idea. Clarifying idea is flying monkeys. Did I say like somebody gave them some sort of idea or they've gotten some sort of inspiration from somebody? This is someone that's on their side and possibly want things to work out in their favor, regardless of what the situation could be. Look, I'm seeing dark death magic. I was gonna say dark magic, but with this death magic, just almost feel like an energy of trying to create some sort of blockage for someone, trying to block somebody from doing something or going somewhere or something like that. This could be physically, energetically, spiritually. Clarify this alliance energy. What is this alliance? I'm seeing blocked. Number 99 could be significant. No access. I feel like whoever this person is trying to portray themselves like, hey, I trust them, I love them. I don't know. I feel like this person is putting on a show like they're honest, good person. But I feel like whoever this energy is someone that you may have blocked, want no access from, or there's no access here. You know, clarify this promise. I'm seeing change. Number 9. 999 is definitely significant here. You're no longer the person that you were before. There's an energy of you changing. This person call themselves getting down on one knee or trying to create or commit some sort of promise. It seems like it's not going to work. This is something that you no longer want. Whoever this person is coming out as a high priest. So this individual is a spiritual. This person is spiritual, whether you know that or not, or possibly even religious. I feel like this might be like some sort of narcissistic energy, you guys, that's trying to hide behind a good image, or possibly religion or something like that. The whole time is a sick, evil son of a bitch. That's what I feel like. Someone that's like can't be trusted type of energy. Let's go ahead and clarify this idea and flying monkey energy. What's going on with this idea and flying monkey energy, please, spirit? Idea, clarify this. Okay, let's fly monkey then. Clarify fly monkey. What's happening? All right. Clarifying this flying monkey energy comes out as the Three of Cups. I don't know. This could be someone that they have a friendship with. Clarifying this flying monkey. Yeah, I feel like whoever this person is definitely as immature as they are. With this Page of Pentacles energy, one more for flying monkey. Mm. I feel like whoever this person is someone that possibly spend a lot of time alone. I feel like whoever this person is trying to get them to breadcrumb you in some form of fashion. I feel like you may spend a lot of time alone. This might be you that isn't a hermit, and them trying to give to you, excuse me, per their flying monkey's idea. It's almost like an energy of breadcrumbing you guys, giving you a little something to make it seems like they want to commit, or make you think that they on the same page or want the same thing as you. But I'm definitely seeing energy you guys obtaining or having some sort of spiritual enlightenment. I'm seeing you guys obtain it. You have inner guidance. Mm. Clarifying this block energy. And also with this hermit energy is the number 9. So 99 could be significant. Nines are definitely significant here. Clarifying block, no access. Blocked, no access. So the first card that came out, blocked, no access, is someone abandoning some sort of plans. There's energy of walking away, letting go, reaching some sort of limit, is what I'm seeing here. I'm sorry, y'all. Fixing my daggone clothes. Reaching some sort of limit. There's energy of you withdraw. There's energy of you guys look deeper within yourself and withdraw your energy from this person because they cause nothing but disappointments. You could have even had a family with this person. I feel like this person is calling themselves wanting to reunite. It's like them trying to create or cause some sort of surprise, create some sort of surprise event because they have an inability to move forward. This person, there's an energy of a fear of new beginnings. I'm seeing this person repeating the same negative sad cycle and patterns all over again because they're resisting change. Your energy is coming out as a star. There's energy of healing here. There's energy of you guys having faith in the future and wanting new, wanting to be happy. And this person in some sort of regret. There's an energy of them, you refusing whatever offer that they're trying to extend to you. This is a missed opportunity. I'm seeing focused on the negative side of things, especially when it comes to this individual, because this person is very self absorbed. This is someone from the past, and I'm seeing an energy of someone watching, spying, watching. I'm seeing conflict, arguments, fussing, fighting. This could be somebody watching from the outside in, or this could be, somebody that is watching this whole thing. I don't know. I'm definitely seeing an energy of someone watching, spying. I'm seeing conflict, fighting, arguments. Ego that may be definitely a factor, especially when it comes to this partnership or some sort of connection here. Let's go and clarify change. What's happening with change, please, Spirit? Change. What's happening with change? One more for change. All right, so I'm definitely seeing a financial new beginning here for you guys. I'm seeing new financial opportunities, new jobs, new business, new money. I'm seeing you guys being single, abundant, prosperous, hardworking. I'm seeing you collecting on your investments. I'm seeing your businesses thriving. All right. And I'm seeing you guys receiving a message with this page of wands. Whoever you are, you could possibly do something with sales. You could be some sort of inspirational speaker, some sort of performer, or something like that. But I'm definitely seeing a very optimistic, enthusiastic energy here. I'm also seeing an energy of you guys being very faithful and somebody being in the Nine of Swords because of your newfound, your change, things that have changed. I was going to say your newfound success because that's what it feels like. Somebody's in fear. There's energy of regret, remorse, anxiety, Nine of Swords. This person is stressed the heck out. This is coming out as a masculine energy because you guys are moving forward. Yep. Somebody, this masculine energy is in the Nine of Swords. Regret, remorse, anxiety because you're moving forward. mm. Yep. Excuse me. You guys having victory. There's energy of you guys having the advantage. I'm seeing you guys triumphing. Uh-huh. And it's gaining momentum. I'm seeing things happen so quickly. I'm seeing progression here for you guys. All right. Anything else for change? I'm seeing you getting offers from other people as well. Yep. This is good. This could also be this person trying to come back in and extend some sort of romantic proposal or offer with this keeping this promise energy. And I see you guys being moved to calmer waters. With the Six of Swords, there's energy you guys moving forward from whoever this person is. They're coming out as the devil. You're moving away from them. This toxicity. Yep. It seems like it took some time though with this Knight of Pentacles. It did require a lot of patience. But I'm definitely seeing you obtaining an unexpected source of money or income over a period of time, and it's due to your something that you do creatively. Mhm. Yeah, because 'cause I'm seeing, like, whoever you are, you possibly felt trapped, you possibly felt restricted. At one point of time, you might have felt like you were backed into a corner, and like I stated before, you've definitely learned the lesson. You're coming out as the wounded warrior, you're very resilient. It seems like you've grown some sort of backbone. You've definitely learned from past failures. And now there's an energy of you guys focusing on your own happiness with this Nine of Cups. There's an energy of wishes coming true. There's an energy of you obtaining fulfillment. There's an energy of dreams here, your dreams. I'm seeing a lot of positive energy. I'm seeing a lot of energy where there's satisfaction, abundance, prosperity, achievement. There's an energy of spirit rewarding you for your confidence to be able to stand up for yourself. Because it seems like this person definitely self-sabotaged themselves out of your energy, out of your life due to their underhanded behavior and deception. This person also have a lack of communication. Someone could possibly have fire in their chart. This could be you or them. Strong Leo energy. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius is what I'm feeling here. And I'm seeing a closing of a cycle. Something coming to a completion. Something coming to an end. We have Empress out here. We got the Queen of Pentacles out here. And I'm seeing a tower. Unexpected Wheel of Fortune, wheel turning for someone. A closing of a cycle, and the wheels start turning in someone's favor. There's energy of good luck. There's energy of good karma. There's energy of things being fated. Chance is what I'm seeing here from you making the right choice. But yeah, like I stated before, there's someone in your energy. They putting on a show. All this stuff that they saying and then wanting to get down on one knee and all this other stuff. You've already learned the lesson with this person. So y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.